In a world of when Lambo, crypto scams and fake projects, where can you find true value? No time to research cryptocurrency projects. No money for crypto reports that cost thousands and thousands of dollars. Don't feel defeated. Knockout Crypto Reports are the answer. Knockout Crypto Reports does the research, saving you time. Knockout Crypto Reports are affordable, saving you money. Knockout Crypto Reports only include the highest quality reports. If you want that Lambo, you need to learn how to invest in the highest quality projects early. Knockout Crypto Reports identifies the highest quality projects early, making you money and saving you time. Go to knockoutcrypto.com and sign up for the report now.
Thank you for following Knockout Crypto. This is our review of OverLedger. Before we get started, I want you guys to go ahead and click the bottom right hand corner of the video, hit subscribe to our channel. Bottom right hand in the corner, subscribe to our channel. Thank you for supporting us. So the Quant Network, the main product is OverLedger, interconnecting possibilities with just 3 lines of code. Let's get into what it is. I want to get that going here for you guys. There's a lot of hype surrounding it because it's been going up in price tremendously. Let me see if I can pull that up for you guys. The price has risen at an all-time high just yesterday. As you can see, if you look at this chart for the past 3 months, OverLedger, Quant Network has been on a major run. May 23rd, it was $1.89, and then it just continued pumping, and it continued to pump, and then it just continued to go all the way up to a high of $12.53 today. It hit a high of $12.53 today. Right now, it fell back down just a little bit. It's $11.55, but it's now ranked 76 on CoinMarketCap. It's doing 11 million in volume, and it's not on that many exchanges. It could be a lot higher. It's on FatBTC, Hotbit, IDX, and Bittrex. And Bittrex is only doing 4 to 5% of the volume. So a lot of the volume is coming from Hotbit and FatBTC. So imagine if it was on Binance or another big exchange, KuCoin, it may be doing a lot more volume as well. So Quant. So what is Quant and why is it going up so high? And what is the reason for its movement? So let's jump right into the video. Quant Network's review, connecting the world's blockchain. Disclaimer and general information. This is an education and information channel. I am not a registered investment advisor and I do not provide investment advice. Any investments are highly speculative and any losses are your responsibility. Do your own research before making any decisions, okay? So what problem is Quant trying to solve? The Quant Network, what problem are they trying to solve? Well, they're developing an interface to connect the world's networks to blockchain. That's 1. 2, they want to bridge existing networks to blockchains and future blockchains. 3, develop a new blockchain OS protocol platform for multi-chain apps. So the first one is develop an interface and then become a bridge for existing networks, and then develop a OS protocol like a Windows for blockchain where they can handle multi-chain apps. So those are the things that Quant Network is working on and what they're trying to solve. So who is the team of Quant Network? Who's behind this? Well, Gilbert Verdine, he's the CEO of Quant Network. He had a very impressive background. Gilbert Verdine was the CISO, Chief Information Security Officer at Vodalink. Vodalink, which is owned by MasterCard, built and operated the infrastructure for the faster payment service, enabling real-time faster payments in the UK, as well as expanding to other regions such as the US with RDP and fast service in Singapore. Gilbert was in charge of security for the faster payment service in the UK, which deals with $6 trillion every year. He was awarded the Cybersecurity CISO of the Year in 2017. Gilbert was director for cybersecurity at PwC, security for HSBC and Ernst Young, as well as various government roles such as the CISO for the Australian NSW Health, head of security at the UK government for Ministry of Justice, and the HM Treasury, in addition to being a part of the committee for the European Commission, US Federal Reserve, and the Bank of England. Gilbert is also the founder of the blockchain ISO standard TC307 and is the chair of the UK National Committee on Blockchain and Distributed Ledger Technologies. So he has a very accomplished background, a very accomplished resume. So what has caused Quant Network to pump so high in the past month? It went from $1.50 to almost $12. What's causing the pump? And I would say this is the key The skeleton key. This is the thing that has caused it to pump. It is the Sia network partnership. This was announced around June 5th. Ever since then, the Quant Network, the QNT token, has been pumping. So Sia, the leading European high-tech company in the payment services and infrastructure sector, and Quant Network, a UK-based pioneering technology company, have signed a partnership agreement to explore blockchain interoperability and the creation of agnostic cross-platform applications and services for banks and financial institutions. The partnership aims to integrate Quant Network blockchain operating system, OverLedger, into the Sia chain infrastructure to enable interoperability, one of the biggest challenges and unmet needs faced by the financial industry to develop and implement blockchain and distributed ledger technology-based applications spanning different technologies. So, what is Sia? Sia is the European leader in the design, creation, and management of technology infrastructure and services for financial institutions, central banks, corporations, and the public sector. In the area of payments, cards, network services, and capital markets, Sia Group provides the services in 50 countries and also operates through its subsidiaries in Austria, Croatia, Czech Republic, Germany, Greece, Hungary, Romania, Serbia, Slovakia, and South Africa. The company also has branches in Belgium and the Netherlands and representation offices in the UK and Poland. In 2018, Sia managed 14 billion institutional services transactions, 7.2 billion card transactions, 3 billion payments, 51.7 billion financial transactions, and carried 1,204 terabytes of data on the network. That is a lot of transactions that Sia Network is handling. The group, which currently has over 3,400 employees, closed 2018 with revenues of 614 million. So this is a huge company. This is a leader in payments and institutional services transactions. Sia Network is one of the European leaders in the financial services industry, and they just partnered with Quant Network on to integrating the Quant Network's blockchain operating system OverLedger into the Sia chain infrastructure to enable interoperability, one of the biggest challenges and unmet needs faced by the financial industry to develop and implement blockchain and distributed ledger technologies-based applications spanning different technologies. So what are some of the other Quant Network partnerships? Well, they have a partnership with Pay.UK. The UK's largest payment network is Pay.UK. They also have a partnership with Mobi, blockchain in the mobile industry. 80% of the world's car makers are a member of Mobi. They also have a partnership with Oracle. They've been accepted in the Oracle Global Startup Ecosystem. They also have a partnership with the Global Legal Blockchain Consortium. They also have a partnership with Amazon Web Services. And if you go on the website, there's a list of all the partners. They have over 30 or 40 different partners. Very impressive list of partners for Quant Network. So what makes Quant Network's OverLedger special? How is this different from other blockchain interoperability solutions? Well, the approach that Quant have taken with their blockchain OS OverLedger to solve blockchain interoperability compared to other interoperability platforms that are trying to achieve interoperability at the transaction layer by connecting two blockchains via another blockchain. These will ultimately be made redundant once faster methods are released. OverLedger is designed to be future-proof by isolating the layers so they don't care which blockchain is being used, what consensus method. Each layer is only interested with the data within that same layer. Just as the internet wasn't replaced by X25, frame relay, APM, etc., OverLedger is designed to be future-proof as it just runs on top of the blockchains rather than being a blockchain itself. So if a new blockchain technology comes out that is capable of 100,000 TPS, then it can easily be integrated as OverLedger just runs on top of it. So what are some of the competitors to Quant Network? Well, some of the competition for Quant Network is Aeon, Cosmos, Polkadot. All these competitors to Quant are running technology that connects blockchain to blockchain. Quant OverLedger runs on top of the blockchain, so it can handle running multiple blockchains at the same time. And I want to go back. One of the major differences is, like he said, OverLedger is designed to be future-proof by isolating the layers so they don't care which blockchain is being used. What consensus method. Each layer is only interested within the data within that same layer. So OverLedger just runs on top of the blockchains, whereas some of the other blockchains, such as Aeon, Cosmos, or Polkadot, they try to connect two blockchains via another blockchain. Whereas OverLedger itself is not a blockchain, it is more a protocol where it just runs on top of the blockchain. Okay, I hope I made that clear. So what is my Quant Network's price prediction? Well, with the low circulation coin supply of 9 million and a 14 million total circulation supply, the value, 14 million total coin supply, the value should increase as demand increases. My price prediction is for the end of 2021, I think this token will be $224 per QNT token. By the end of December 2021, remember we're only in July 2020 right now, but I think by the end of December 2021 we'll be at $224 per Quant token, okay? So here's my Quant Network conclusion for you guys. Nearly all of the Forbes 50 blockchain companies are using multiple blockchain platforms, and Quant Network's OverLedger is the only interoperability solution that can connect the Ethereum, Hyperledger, Quarter, Quantum, Bitcoin, Ripple, and IOTA today. The second thing I really like about Quant Network is there's no need to replace or change existing systems to be able to connect to the blockchains. OverLedger greatly simplifies this by presenting an API to connect to, and all that is needed to connect your existing legacy systems is 3 lines of code. The third thing I like about Quant Network is Quant's Sia partnership is a game changer for blockchain. The Quant Sia partnership reminds me of the Chainlink and Swift partnership, where you have this huge financial consortium that's looking to integrate blockchain into the way it does things, and they chose Quant Network as the partner to integrate blockchain into their systems and do testing to figure out, can blockchain help them. So Quant Sia partnership is a game changer for blockchain. I think it's why it's pumping. It's also something that we haven't seen before. So it's just a big deal. Don't miss out on the next big crypto report. Knockout Crypto provides the best research in crypto. Join today at knockoutcrypto.com. Risk free, you can't lose. Exclusive content and bonuses when you join. Go to knockoutcrypto.com. Thank you for following our channel. Thank you for watching the content. If you want more information, like I said, go to knockoutcrypto.com. Get the next big crypto report. And I also go more in detail on Quant Network in my knockoutcrypto.com post on Quant Network. You want to go there to see it, okay? So let's see what Quant is doing right now. Quant is 164 as the price. You see it's going up and down. It's really impressive what Quant is doing. On Twitter, Quant has about 8,000 followers on Twitter, but that's going to grow. On Twitter, it says Quant is building technology that enables a trusted digital interaction, helping create and secure a digital future to the benefit of us all. So Quant is definitely a project you should take a look at. It's definitely making big progress. So go to the Twitter, check them out. Go to the website, check them out. Don't forget to read the white paper. They have a white paper on the website. You can read that there. You go there and read all of that, okay? And the products. All right. So go and check out Quant, okay? Guys, thank you for following Knockout Crypto. Thank you for following the channel. I appreciate your support of the channel. Signing off, Knockout Crypto.